you all very much. What a special day today is, and I'm glad that we pre-ordered the weather. And oftentimes, when you pre-order, it doesn't come the way you thought it was going to come. So I just appreciate everybody coming today. But most importantly, this is a moment that we celebrate partnership. It's a moment we celebrate partnership because we, in fact, get things like this done by bringing together an extraordinary set of partners. Yes, a company with extraordinary vision, but also state government, local government, industrial development aspirations, vision for a building that, of course, gave a shovel-ready place to, in fact, plant a visionary company. That is what's most exciting about today, because together we can accomplish so much more. So as we're here celebrating something remarkable, we have to recognize there's two big achievements. One, of course, is that, in fact, we are bringing Virginia square onto the map when it comes to the national titanium manufacturing industry. And second of all, we are shoring up a supply chain that is of national priority to do so. And the combination of those two achievements today makes this an extra special moment for us to be celebrating. And so let's just be clear what we're celebrating. It's my honor to announce that Empyrean X Limited will establish Virginia's first titanium demonstration facility right here in Halifax County's Southern Virginia Technology Park, right here. And as part of that, there will be a two-phase investment that will total over $82 million. And will draw a workforce here that will employ 108 new people. So Empyrean X intends to source 100% renewable energy to produce 100% recycled titanium. This is why it's so extraordinary. And it will supply that titanium to our advanced manufacturing needs: automotive, defense, aerospace, electric vehicles, 3D printing, and my guess is, Tasso, anybody else who will want to buy it. But these are critical sectors that have a supply chain challenge. And of course, this is why Empyrean X was founded. It was founded in 2020 with plans to be the leading developer of low-carbon, sustainable, critical material supply chains. And that's what's happening here. The titanium technologies that the company has innovated around have demonstrated the potential to produce just that. Titanium products that are sustainable, 100% recyclable, low carbon, and at product qualities that exceed current industry standards. So Empyrean X aims to create a new self-sustaining global supply chain. That is the key, a self-sustaining global supply chain right here that will enable manufacturers around the world, right here in the United States, and oh, by the way, right here in the Commonwealth of Virginia, to in fact better incorporate scrap recycling and raw materials into a cleaner, more resource efficient, closed loop system. Now, why is this so important? Because the primary manufacturers and suppliers of titanium are in Russia and China today. And we are seeing that supply chain come home right here to Halifax County. And what right here means is a 50,000 square foot Halifax shell building right here. I mean, think about this. This was visionary. We're going to need a great facility. Let's plan to build one. And oh, by the way, Empyrean X plans on expanding this facility to twice its size. to twice its size. And so that is the kind of investment that, in fact, infrastructure, and oh, by the way, a visionary view of what can be right here in Halifax County results in. And so it is a prime example of build it and they will come. The facility will represent the first titanium metal powder facility in the United States with 100% recycled titanium scrap as the feedstock, putting Virginia not just on the map, but at the center of the map for shoring up this domestic supply chain of this critical material. So we should all feel incredibly proud that we're part of this announcement today to support this breakout company, truly a breakout company that in fact is defining a new way of supplying high-tech manufacturing. Now I know Hyperion X takes real pride in their team, from engineers to science and technology to the advanced manufacturing workforce that will bring all this to life. And so we as the Commonwealth of Virginia are committed as partners to help build that workforce that will allow this company to not just fulfill their current dreams, but to in fact raise the expectations that there are even bigger dreams beyond that. Now, as I said, there's lots of people to say thank you to, but let's just be clear, we don't want to miss anybody. State, regional, local partners who contributed to the success of this moment. Let me just start with the Virginia Economic Development Partnership. Move next to the Halifax County Board of Supervisors, the Halifax County Industrial Development Authority, the Southern Virginia Regional Alliance, the Tobacco Commission, the Virginia Department of Environmental Quality, the Virginia Department of Energy, Dominion Energy, and of course our state and federal legislative representatives. And I don't want to underscore how important that team is on all fronts. The national implications of this, the statewide implications of this, the local implications of this, all came together in order to support this project. So I am so pleased to be here with Tassa Arima and Hyperion X talking about this groundbreaking step, not just for Virginia, but for America. Today marks the beginning of a partnership that began with tons of work. I felt included in it because I had a great opportunity to talk to Tasso about his dreams and what he was doing and to play a small part in helping bring this about. But I have to say, this is about the team. This is about all of you having vision. And this vision will, in fact, bring even bigger things to this site. And so we are proud, collectively proud to add Hyperion X to Virginia's corporate roster. Thank you all very much. I will come back for a small presentation at the end, but I want to introduce my friend Senator Frank Ruff to share a few thoughts with you.
What a beautiful day to be inside of Virginia. What a great day to be in Halifax County. What a fantastic reason to be here at this site at this time today. Thank y'all all for joining us in that process. Governor, thank you for being willing to come down and be part of this. To the leadership team of Hyperion Technology, welcome and thank you for deciding to come here. We look forward to you having a long and successful future. The Tobacco Commission reviewed the application and project and made the decision to get involved with this. Generally, this is when we would give you a fake check. Ed would always stand up here and give a fake check. But they didn't give me one, so I'm going to give you an IOU.
Thank you, Governor. I really appreciate the kind words. And I actually really appreciate how many people have come out today. That is a big reason that we chose South Boston and Halifax County. For me, starting and founding, I'm the founder and the Chief Executive Officer of IperionX. I've been lucky enough to live in the United States now since 2015. I was the founder of another critical material supply chain company, which is looking to reshore the lithium supply chain. When I decided to work with my team, which is really important, it's always about people. When I decided to work with my team on the titanium supply chain, I could see the national need to reshore our manufacturing here. Titanium metal is used extensively in our defense industry, but also can be used extensively across electric vehicles. It's very lightweight, it's strong, it's corrosion resistant, can be used in a lot more applications if we can make it cheaper and make it more sustainable right here in North America, in the United States. So the vision when we started IperionX with my team was to reshore, not just reshore a titanium metal supply chain, but to do it right, to do it sustainably and to build a sustainable supply chain with the communities where we interact with, where we're going to manufacture our titanium metal from. So that was a big reason for choosing and being here in Halifax County and being here at the site. There was a lot of sites out that we looked at. There was other great buildings like this. This is a fantastic building, by the way, the infrastructure. Look at how this is all done. This is amazing. It really is build it and they will come. This is amazing. This is great from the IDA and Halifax County. But this is a great building. There's the opportunity for renewable power here. There's great infrastructure here. But what there is here, which makes a big difference for me, I came from a small town in Greece and then I grew up in Perth, Western Australia, is community, is people. We need a great workforce and we need great support from our community and our community leaders. And for me, here in the great Commonwealth of Virginia and down into Halifax County, we've got it from the top down. Governor Youngkin was the first one to call me, only after a few days when we decided to go out on this national site selection survey. And then we quickly found out that from the top down, we had strong support. And that is why we're really happy to be part here. So everybody should be proud that there is such great support here in Halifax County from all the way to the top. Your leaders, Governor Youngkin, your Senator Warner, Senator Kane, and his fantastic, and their fantastic staff, all the way to your community leaders. I would like to thank Christy Johnson as well and Linda Green. They have been amazing to work with. And then just looking right here at the type of support we've gotten, I'm just so proud to now be part and have IperionX be a big part of the community in South Boston, Virginia. I'm really happy. Thank you everyone for coming, and we look forward to really building a transformational supply chain that is so important for the world, but so important for the US. And it's going to be built right here in South Boston, Virginia. Thank you very much.
So it is my privilege to present to you, once I get the box open, there we go, perfect, to present to you this flag of the Commonwealth of Virginia. This flag is flown over top of our Capitol, and as a real symbol of our partnership, I would hope that you would fly it right here outside this facility, and you would have the exact same emotional reaction I have every morning when I walk out my front door and I see the Commonwealth of Virginia flag and the flag of the United States flying over our state capitol. And I feel incredibly blessed to be here, incredibly blessed to be part of this community, and most importantly, incredibly blessed to be in partnership with so many people. So it's my privilege to present to you the flag of the Commonwealth of Virginia. We have one more.
Hello everyone. On behalf of Halifax County, I wanted to extend a warm welcome to Hyperion X, to our county. We are thrilled at your decision to locate here in Halifax County with a titanium demonstration facility. Your contribution to our community will be tremendously impactful, and we look forward to forging a long-standing partnership with you all. Okay? And thank you and welcome again. On behalf of Halifax County, thank you.